Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, so then you click here on moderation, just click on it. You come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, come here to Discourage app from showing my account to log it out users, clicking this sign. Like you see this color here show for us, that means it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.